Hello everyone. Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. You are watching Crime Tak English. I welcome all of you to Crime Tak family, and I hope everyone part of this family is doing well and fine. Now, from last few days, we were talking about Mehul Choksi. Today, I thought I will talk about some different crime stories, some murder story, but then I came across a very interesting fact. I spoke to some people, and there are multiple theories about this Operation Mehul Choksi to get Mehul Choksi, or at least this part that he was abducted and then taken to Dominica. And there are theories that there was RAW involved, there was IB involved, there was intel agencies of Dominica and Antigua. There was a joint effort by all these agencies to get Mehul Choksi from Antigua to Dominica. But when I was speaking to someone, who is looking after this case, that person was saying that if this part that a woman was used to lure Mehul Choksi was honey trap. If this theory is true, then this operation was initiated at least 10 months back. And what he told me, I will give you the entire detail of my conversation, what happened, how he thinks that this operation was initiated at least an year ago or 10 months back. So, first of all, let me again give you a very small brief of what exactly happened according to Mehul Choksi. So, according to Mehul Choksi, there was one woman. I have the name of that woman. I will not disclose the name. Again, I'm telling you. Earlier also, I said the same thing. So, there was one woman who befriended Mehul Choksi, and this friendship with Mehul Choksi started over a period of time. So what happened when Mehul Choksi used to go for a walk on beach, then this woman would come and say hi, hello, how are you doing? These things started. Now, before meeting Mehul Choksi, what that woman did, Mehul Choksi has two apartments in Antigua. So one of the apartment he stays. It's a proper big house mansion. And in the second one, there is some place where you can walk. There is a kitchen. There is, guest room and all. So there is a cook who always stay in the other apartment. It is also on the beach side. So one day, what happened that this woman, which I am talking about, this woman walked inside the property, and she went and started talking to the cook of Mehul Choksi, who was in kitchen. So they became a friend. They started talking to each other. Then one day, when Mehul Choksi was inside the apartment, then again there was some conversation. This woman came and said hi, hello. And then whenever Mehul Choksi used to go on a walk, every second day, third day, alternate day, they started talking to each other. So they became a friend. Okay, she never went to the main apartment of Mehul Choksi where he was staying with the wife. But this woman used to go to the other apartment where Mehul Choksi used to go for a walk, or the cook was staying. So this is how the friendship began. Now, over the period of time, they started to get to know each other. Then, this woman started calling Mehul Choksi to meet at certain places like a restaurant, or calling him to the apartment. Now, when these things were happening, my friends, on 23rd May 2021, she called up Mehul Choksi and asked him to come to her apartment. And when Mehul Choksi reached around 6 p.m. in the evening, that is when, according to Mehul Choksi, there were certain people inside a room. He was abducted, beaten up, given electric shock, and then he was taken to a ship, a vessel, you can say, or a yacht, and then he was taken to Dominica. Now, this is the theory. Now, this woman part is basically the honey trap wala part. Now, what I was told by the officer and someone who is aware of developments in the case, that this woman came to Antigua in August 2020. That means 10 months before, this entire drama of Mehul Choksi going missing and then suddenly being arrested by Dominica police happened. So she started staying since she went to Antigua in 2020. Initially, she started staying where Mehul Choksi stays, and then there was some frequent movement to the apartments of Mehul Choksi, the other apartment where the cook was staying and cooking something for Mehul Choksi and his wife and other family and friends. Okay, so this woman initially shifted in August 2020. Then she went, to the mansion. Then they started talking to each other. They became friends. And this woman, about whom I am talking about, this woman started meeting Mehul Choksi during the war. And later on, this woman might have used Mehul Choksi, lured Mehul Choksi, although these allegations have been denied by the wife of Mehul Choksi. But this is the theory, and based on this theory, many are saying that this operation might have been initiated at least 10 months back. Now, it is not clear. It is not clear whether this operation was by RAW, IB, or any Indian agency or any third party, or by Antigua or by Dominica. This is not clear. There is no confirmation about it. Whether there was any operation or not, that is also not confirmed at this point of time. There is no official confirmation. All we know that Mehul Choksi disappeared. According to Antigua Prime Minister, Mehul Choksi went out with his girlfriend, the woman I am talking about. According to Prime Minister of Antigua, this woman was girlfriend of Mehul Choksi. And Mehul Choksi went for some romantic trip and then he was caught in Dominica. But at the very same time, the wife is saying that she was not a girlfriend. She used to come, to the other apartment. And what she told our channel, what she told in detail, that conversation will play out. I'll play out after, after my narration, but that is going to be very important because you will get a brief idea of what the wife of Mehul Choksi thinks about that woman. But also what is very interesting and where my doubt is as a crime reporter is that why this woman has disappeared suddenly. She is nowhere now. She has disappeared suddenly. She is not in Antigua, she is not anywhere else, and now she is missing. So whenever I'll get to know about that woman in any detail, I will be happy to share with you. But as far as this theory is concerned, it appears that this operation was initiated at least August 2020. A woman was used to lure Mehul Choksi. A woman was used as a honey trap for Mehul Choksi, almost like the baby movie. And what the wife of Mehul Choksi thinks about, I want you to hear it. And thank you so much for watching this. I will once again meet you tomorrow, and I will come up with a good story. And if you want me to tell any other story, do let me know. Thank you so much for watching this.